Hey guys, welcome to iGyaan. Today we are checking out some interesting gadgets I found online. So without further ado, let's quickly get into it. Now if you enjoy these videos, make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you want more content from iGyaan delivered right into your inbox. The first product we are checking out is this 4-in-1 lamp and Bluetooth speaker. This is a wood finish lamp which looks really nice and in itself is a table. On the top is a wireless charger which will charge up your devices as long as this device is plugged in. By itself, it also has an inbuilt battery and also functions as a portable speaker. You can connect to this via Bluetooth and use the buttons on top to control your music. On the front of this is a clock which also does have 2 alarms that can be set as per your requirement, and then you can also customize from 5 different alarm sounds. The entire handle of the lamp is basically a touch point, so you can tap anywhere on the handle to increase, decrease or turn off the light. So you can use most of the functions except for wireless charging with the inbuilt battery. The speaker has an overall nice sound, but you have to make sure that you keep it on a slightly more resonating surface. We found that lifting it high onto a slightly bigger surface improves that audio experience. The handle can also be raised up to be used as a phone stand. This lamp has a USB Type-C input, can accept up to 18 watts of input, and the wireless charger will deliver up to 10 watts from the wireless charging plate. So depending on what device you put on it, you can get a maximum of 10 watts of wireless charging. Overall, it's a pretty smart looking device, and if you want to add it to your cart, we'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we are checking out this humidifier. This is a really nice looking humidifier that has a pretty large water tank. You remove the top and you can add water. There's a designated point for you dropping the water in, and there's also a max fill line with which you can know what the maximum amount of water it takes in is. The best thing about this humidifier is that it looks pretty clean, but it also is a built-in LED light, which once turned on makes the steam coming out of the humidifier almost look like flames. So this is hence called a flame humidifier. It also has a few other colors that you can choose from, but the primary fire type color, which are the orange LEDs, look the best according to me, but you do have a range of RGB colors that you can choose from. It's a pretty neat design and it functions well, especially in low light environments. It does mimic a flame quite nicely. It gives you a nice aesthetic feel. You can have this running in the background. It's great for having in your house, especially when the air conditioning is on all the time, drying your air. This humidifier will help greatly with that. This humidifier also accepts essential oils, and there is also a window which shows the light in a flame pattern. But we found that you can also flip it around. So if you don't want to look at that flame pattern, you can put it on the back side and have a clean looking aesthetic, which we personally prefer. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out this magnetic wireless power bank. This does have MagSafe capability, so it will attach to your smartphone, especially Apple devices which do have MagSafe with magnets around the ring. So not only can you use this as a power bank, but you can also use it as a wireless charging mat. It has a built-in 10,000 milliamp hour battery, but one of the coolest things about this is that it also has an Apple Watch charger built in. If you have an Apple Watch and an iPhone, you can charge both of those devices together. Another interesting thing is that it also charges via a lightning cable. So if you're using a lightning cable, then all you need is to carry one cable to charge up the power bank or your iPhone, and that basically simplifies a lot of things. You can also traditionally use a USB-C cable if you prefer to do that, and then it also has an out via USB-C or via USB-A, which you can also use to charge up your devices. Pretty cool accessory, slightly on the pricier side, but well worth the money with the kind of features it offers. Go check it out. We'll have it linked in the description below. Next up, we're checking out this backpack. Now, this is basically a tech backpack, which is designed really well. It's a hard shell backpack, which is in itself pretty unique. It has a stiff handle on the top, which makes it easy to carry, almost like a briefcase. It also has an integrated luggage strap, so you can attach it to your luggage. So if you want to use this as a laptop briefcase or a document case, you can do that as well. The backpack has really nice and padded straps, which are adjustable. And there is a hidden pocket for your smartphone on the back. On the inside, you do have access to lots of compartments, and then there is additional space in the hard shell to keep things like books or even clothes for an overnight trip. The backpack also has a built-in USB port which you can connect to a power bank on the inside, and then you can have power directly delivered to the outside of the backpack, so you can access charging without needing to have your backpack open. This backpack also opens up in a lay flat design. So you just open up these buttons and Velcro, and you can fully open up the backpack to get access to everything in your bag quite easily. It's pretty nicely built, has this textured outer shell, which is basically polycarbonate. It looks really smart in this goldish color, but it's also available in a matte black, so you can choose your favorite. The backpack does have integrated zipper locks, which are TSA compliant. So in an emergency, if you want to use it as a check-in bag as well, you can do that. And the bag locks are TSA compliant, and they are numbered locks, and you can set a combination as per your requirement. Next up is another MagSafe accessory. This is designed for iPhones with MagSafe capability, but it also includes a ring. So if you have a traditional phone which doesn't have MagSafe, you can use it with this device. It can be used as a MagSafe charging stand, so you can put it on your desk and use it as a stand. I continue to refer to it as it because in fact, this device is a camera holder or a camera grip for your phone. This makes it really easy to hold your phone in landscape or in portrait, and it does have inbuilt Bluetooth and an integrated shutter button, which allows you to immediately start capturing video or stop capturing video, and you can also click pictures using the shutter button. It's very ergonomically designed. It's extremely lightweight, so it doesn't add a lot of weight to your phone. And overall, it's a pretty nifty travel accessory that is not really large, and it might easily fit in your pocket. I personally prefer it to a lot of selfie sticks. What do you guys think? Now that completes our list of interesting finds online, but I do have a bonus accessory that I just picked up a couple of days back, and I'm really enjoying it. This is a strap made for the Apple Watch. It goes really well with the Apple Watch Ultra that I wear myself, and it has a nice buckle on the front and a woven nylon sort of strap, which is extremely comfortable to wear for extended periods. I personally don't like rubber straps or leather straps anymore because they tend to gather sweat and make wearing an Apple Watch uncomfortable. This one is extremely breathable, and I really like the buckle design, which adds a little bit of rugged look to the overall strap. It's extremely comfortable, and funnily enough, it's almost 1/10 the price of traditional Apple Watch bands. So it's fairly affordable as well. Again, everything that we showed off in this video is linked in the description below, including the bonus item. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to be a part of the iGyaan community. I'll see you guys in the next one.